the sunset again today, right, Heather?
Take it in, Lisa. I don't know how many we're going to see over the next week or so. It's not the low clouds that are coming back. It's the higher clouds with high amounts of moisture, and that means lots and lots of rain. Here's the nuts and bolts of what we're talking about. We'll see some showers tomorrow for part of the day, not all day. Saturday, again, showery for part of the day. Sunday and Monday, a more widespread rain, a steadier rain that's going to take up most of both of those days. Those are weather impact days. Christmas Eve into Christmas Day, a stronger storm is coming our way. That's Wednesday into Thursday. Rain, potentially stronger winds. And now it looks like some really good snow into the mountains, too. Want to take you through day by day. Since we're going all the way out to 7 days, our high-resolution models can't see everything just yet, but I can at least get you a general idea. Saturday morning should start out dry for most of us. As we get into Saturday afternoon and evening, showers start to fill in, but the steadiest of the rain really picks up Saturday night and into Sunday. You can kind of see the end of that fire hose of moisture. That's that connection to the atmospheric river out over the Pacific Ocean. Snow level is still high as we go through Sunday. It's likely relatively high into Monday as well, although there may be a little bit of accumulation over the immediate summits. But again, look where that rain is pointed, right along the Interstate 80 corridor throughout the day on Monday. Tuesday, the axis of that moisture points farther to the north. So Red Bluff, Redding, the North Coast, that's where the heaviest rain will be, while the Central Valley, the foothills, and the Sierra get a little bit of a break. That lull is a good thing because we've got more rain and potentially quite a bit more snow coming at us Tuesday night into Wednesday. First round comes through first thing in the morning. Here's that snow developing. There could be some gusty winds with this as well. Again, maybe a lull for part of the day on Wednesday, and then that next round comes in Christmas morning. Heavy rain, potentially strong winds, and really heavy snow into the mountains. This could be our first really good snowstorm that we've seen yet this season. The mountains need it. We're going to talk more about that in a second. But here's everything spelled out for you in the 7-day forecast. If you have errands to run, if you want to go out and see some holiday lights, any other kind of activities, I think your picks are going to be Friday. Yeah, we'll get showery in the evening. Saturday morning looks okay. Tuesday looks okay unless you're traveling to the immediate coast. Other days, expect the rain, and in the higher elevations, eventually we get into snow. This is what it looks like for the Sierra. Saturday, Sunday, again, it's just rain, but it's windy over the summits. As we go into Tuesday, the snow level starts to drop, but we're going to lose a lot of the moisture, so the precipitation's a lot lighter. Wednesday into Thursday, that's where we get into the heavy snow. That's where I'm telling you, if you don't have to travel in the mountains, it's a good idea not to. Here's how much snow we could see. This is Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday. Just talking about the summits for now, but we're talking feet of snow. So again, our first good snowstorm of the season looking more likely at this point. And we need it. The snowpack right now, it's not in good shape. We're at 12% of average for today's date in the Central Sierra. What we've got in the forecast, that could really help. Here's a look at the rainfall numbers. Again, this is through next Thursday, so it's coming in rounds. We could see some creek flooding in some of the smaller streams by the end of next week, but rivers are going to be just fine. Just be ready. If you have to be somewhere any of those days next week, be ready to drive in that rain. There's one more peek at the 7-day for you. We'll go day by day. It's going to be a long week in the weather department. Back to you.